Oh my god, you're so annoying. What is with you? Got follow me around everywhere? I just finished doing my Writer Girl video on my phone. I would like to do it. Well, I've been trying to do them on my little Sony flip cam. Not so much. And I've been trying to do them, love to do them on my Canon DSLR camera. And not so much. I need a computer that can edit them and export them, and my husband's computer is old. My Dell is gone, basically. So, you are just a menace. What do you love of my office? You're always in here. You're weird. I'm so tired of being sick. Drop the camera. This is the coughing. I don't like coughing. I'm thinking about doing, I was trying to figure out a way to do my Mr. Darcy's Diary book review. And I'm thinking of doing like a drunk review. Just because I can't really do like a acting out thing or anything like that, because most everyone knows the plot of Pride and Prejudice. It's just told from a different point of view. So, we'll see. And I kind of want to do doing some book tags on there. Just to get some more videos on the channel. And I like doing tag videos, and I don't do tag videos on this channel very often. So, I wanted to do the, boyfriend, significant other, husband thing. Does your makeup? And he wouldn't go for it. He thinks the tags are hilarious, the videos that we watch, but he doesn't want to do it. So I think my problem is I need a bigger paintbrush. I think, yeah, I just need a bigger paintbrush.
Looks like you're going to Priest River,
Yeah,
kind of out of Sandpoint. It's like, I want to say maybe 2-3 blocks down.
That's a
On the right. But yeah, I can call over there.
He's such a pretty boy.